Beaute Seoul. Beaute. Beaute Seoul. I washed my hair yesterday, did my regular curly hair routine, wash and go, whatever. I woke up this morning, my hair looked like this. That was a 1 day wash and go. 1 day. Usually it takes my hair about 4 to 5 days to look like that, and that was me after 1 day, and I said, hold up. I don't think so. Whenever my hair gets like that, I know I need to deep condition because I ain't having it. Just because my life's a mess doesn't mean my hair has to be. You know? I'm gonna use this hooded dryer. So what you wanna do, that bad boy around your head. So what you want to do is tighten the strap. Get the strap. Tighten this. It comes with chin strap to secure it to your head so it doesn't fly off. Okay. Well, it comes with how to use card with it, and it says, for use with conditioning treatments after shampooing on towel dry hair. Hair should be wet, but not dripping. Apply conditioning treatment, attach hose to dryer, and place the bonnet over treated hair. Dry hair for approximately 15 minutes on low setting for maximum efficiency. Listen, you gotta be ugly before you're beautiful. Comes with a Velcro thing, so you just stick her in there. And make sure it's on there real tight, and then secure the strap. And then it should just blow up. I'm just gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, you know, and I'll be back in. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Take this bad boy off. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna rinse my hair and I will be right back. Alright, so I just rinsed it. My hair feels so much better. My curls have been nourished, they're moisturized, and it feels so much better. These are both 1 day wash and goes. One was after a deep conditioner, one was before. You be the judge.